Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have a Lenovo Thinkpad X360. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your Wi-Fi card. So first thing, power down your computer the correct way. Make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip the computer over to access our bottom case screws. You have these 5 screws on the bottom case. After you remove those screws, you're going to take a small, flat, preferably plastic pry tool. I say plastic because it'll scratch your case far less than a metal one will. And you're going to go around the seam of your bottom case and pry it off from the rest of your computer. Go nice and slow, be careful but firm. Don't put the pry tool too far in, you could damage some internal components. Just go on the edge, and if you get stuck going in one direction, leave it, start in the other corner, and go around in the other direction. After you get your bottom case off, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a general repair side note, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything when you're working on the computer. If you would like any help with tools or supplies for your project, as well as any replacement or upgrade parts for this specific model computer, there'll be a link above. Also below in the description, that will be a list of all the tools and supplies that I use in my shop, as well as, again, all the replacement and upgrade parts for this specific model, the Thinkpad X390. Now, before I touch anything in a computer, I always remove or at least unplug my battery. A computer is safest to work on when as little power as possible is running through it. Your battery is right down here. It's held down by 4 screws, and it plugs into the motherboard right here near the green arrow. Now, this goes for any wire or cable in a computer. Try to avoid pulling on it as much as possible. Sometimes they can get damaged. Sometimes you can even pull them right out of the plug. So if possible, just grab the plug and pull that straight down toward the battery to get it out of that port. Okay, so now that the battery has been removed or at least unplugged, it's safe to proceed deeper into the computer. Your Wi-Fi card is right up here. To access it, you would remove this black cover right there, just peel that off, and you're left with your Wi-Fi card here. So that just screws in by this single screw up top, and then it will pull out of this port. Then you'll be left with your orange and blue antenna wire. Those are just snaps. Those pull directly up and off of the Wi-Fi card. To get them back on, though, they do need to be at a perfect 90-degree angle to snap those back onto the card, and you are strong enough to damage it if it's not at the right angle and you try to force it. So just be patient, go slow. It's probably going to be a little bit of a pain if you're not used to it, but you will be able to get those back on. I will have all the Wi-Fi card information below in the description if you're looking for your own replacement, but I will also have a Wi-Fi card replacement option in the link I told you about with all the replacement and upgrade parts for this specific model computer. And I guess the last thing to shout out about this kind of operation, if you are having Wi-Fi issues in your computer, if you can't see any networks, or if you can't even access your Wi-Fi options, you could have a bad Wi-Fi card and you may need to replace it, but you also could have a different issue. I will have a video tutorial link above, also below in the description. It'll show you how to troubleshoot your computer if you cannot access your Wi-Fi options. Maybe you can fix it that way before having to come in here and do an invasive repair like this. But that's the end of this video, how to get inside the Thinkpad X390 and access your Wi-Fi card. Thanks again so much for watching. Please remember to like and share if this helped you out, if you think it can help someone else out. And feel free to subscribe if you enjoy DIY computer content like this, or if you just want to keep me on hand to answer any of your future computer questions. I do try to answer all questions throughout my channel at least a couple times a day. Also, feel free to check out the related links section below in the description. From time to time, I do try to add things in there that I think will help you with your general computer life, make it more productive, more enjoyable. So thanks again for watching, everyone. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.